shit off. Don't nobody know. I don't even know where this shit is. They gonna be like, this shit off. This shit right here, but ain't checked in.
That's crazy.
I ain't recording though. All the other stuff is on complicated.
But
it's either on tape or
you got to choose. You got to show them. When I first was doing that, like when I
be at the gun show today.
Come on. Just me in a truck. I'm gone. Right before my shift on.
I'm gonna leave it alone.
They try the big boy, you take it over.
You can put it now.
Like some goddamn 18-wheeler pallets. You know them double pallet jacks?
Yeah.
You might get the, just put it at the end of each tape. That's why they sent you some tape. You won't go by the wrong.
Check it out.
Yeah, that's about as even as it's gonna get. So I think I marked it pretty good.
And later on, we got a gun show we about to go to. You know what I'm saying?
Later on, but that bitch about to be over.
It's over at 9?
No, it's over at 5.
I thought it was over at 5.
9 to 5.
Yeah, that's what I meant. 5.
It's 3 something now.
I'm stopping.
Hey, them all too dirty though. Them all too dirty. So it's you say it's the new Mustang motor oil?
Yeah, this is a 2013 motor.
Them all big.
I got a couple more little things to do to it. And then, if you're ready, crank it up.
Yeah.
Finally, after that.
All right, man. So that's gonna wrap up this video for y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it. What y'all think about the lights, man? My car's super dirty. I gotta wash it for the meet tomorrow, but rim super dirty. But this is what it is, man. Tell me how y'all like the wing carbon fiber thing. That mother shining too, especially when the sun out. That mother hitting. But yeah, man. It's trash and on the ground. But look at this mud splash. I don't know where that came from. I have no idea. But tell me what y'all think about the reinstallment and everything. What y'all think? But that's gonna wrap it up, man. Appreciate y'all support for watching my videos. Everybody, man. Appreciate y'all. But like and comment. Just like it. Please, all I ask, just like it, you know. But appreciate y'all. I'm gone.